2018 Toyota Sienna Review. The 2018 Toyota Sienna isn't flashy, but its cavernous cabin and user-friendly features make it an excellent minivan. Plus, it's the only minivan you can buy with all-wheel drive. New for 2018. Suite of advanced safety features standard on all trim levels. Smartphone integration, navigation, and 5 USB ports now standard. Reshuffling of standard features and options. Pros and cons. User-friendly infotainment system. Roomy cabin with high-quality materials. Spacious cargo area. Composed and confident on the road. Only minivan to offer all-wheel drive. More expensive than most rivals. Sports-tuned trim has firm ride quality. Unless you're looking for a little excitement, the Sienna is a superb minivan. Its durable interior can handle high traffic for years to come, and there's ample room for you to carry oodles of people and things, both at the same time. The Sienna has one of the most powerful engines you can get in a minivan, and while you'll never mistake it for a sports car, you'll be able to competently get up to speed, even when it's packed full. This is also the only minivan on the market with available all-wheel drive. Of the improvements for 2018, the most impressive is the Sienna's new suite of advanced safety features. Billed as Toyota Safety Sense P, this bundle helps prevent front collisions, keeps you in your lane, and manages your high beams. New standard features also include a larger infotainment screen, 5 USB ports, and built-in navigation. If you want a hassle-free way to carry lots of passengers and gear, the Sienna is an excellent choice. Behind the third row is the largest cargo hold in the class. Shoppers have the choice between 7 and 8 seat configurations, and every model features adult-friendly seating in the rear. When it comes to price, the Sienna is more expensive than most of its competition. That said, with an array of new standard tech and safety features and the Sienna's strong history of high resale values, this is a smart buy if you can afford the higher sticker price. The Sienna's current generation is getting long in the tooth, however, and its styling and options can pale alongside newly launched or recently refreshed models. Shoppers looking for a swankier design, handy features like a built-in vacuum or stowable second-row seats, or a newer infotainment system should peek inside the Sienna's two highly rated rivals, the Honda Odyssey and the Chrysler Pacifica. The 2018 Toyota Sienna is a solid performer. It features a capable V6 engine, great fuel economy, and the option to add all-wheel drive. There's little to get excited about when driving the Sienna, but its composed, comfortable handling will deliver you and your precious cargo to your destination without a fuss. The Sienna is a peppy minivan, with enough power to deftly handle merging, overtaking, and hill climbs. It's powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a 296 horsepower rating. The 8-speed automatic transmission is polished and shifts quickly when you need it to. Fuel economy is among the best in the class, at 19 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. The Sienna comes standard with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is available on select trim levels. Driving dynamics focus more on comfort in most models, resulting in a relaxing, quiet ride. The downside is that the softer suspension tuning leads to more body movement around curvy roads. The Sienna features a firmer, sports-tuned suspension system and feels more athletic, though the ride quality feels abrasive to some. Many compact cars are more fuel-efficient than the WRX. With the base engine and a manual transmission, the most efficient setup, This Subaru gets an EP estimated 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. That drops to 1,824 miles per gallon city highway with the automatic transmission and 1,722 miles per gallon city highway in the WRX STI. The 2018 Toyota Sienna is an outstanding choice if you need lots of space for people and things. Both 7 and 8-seat models are available, and all trim levels are finished with durable, high-grade materials. New for 2018 is the addition of a full suite of active safety features and an enhanced infotainment system. The Sienna comes standard with seating for 7, cloth upholstery, second-row captain's chairs, and a split-and-stow third-row seat which folds into the floor for convenient storage. Seating options include a removable center seat increasing total capacity to 8, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, manual second and third row sunshades, heated front seats, and leatherette or leather upholstery. For child safety seats, there are 2 sets of latch anchors in the second row and 2 sets in the third row. It doesn't take a lot of sweat to clip car seats into the anchors, but the hardware is difficult to locate. The front seats aren't as cushy as the Honda Odysseys, but overall, the Sienna is comfortable and spacious. The second-row seats are adult-friendly and can easily slide forward to allow access to the rearmost seats. Every Sienna comes with 3-zone automatic climate control, a rear-view camera, and Toyota Safety Sense P, a suite of advanced safety systems composed of lane departure warning, lane keep assist, automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The base infotainment system includes the Intune 3.0 infotainment interface, a 7-inch touchscreen display, navigation, 5 USB ports, smartphone integration, Bluetooth, and Sirius free. Interior options include rain-sensing windshield wipers, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, dual power sliding doors, HD radio, satellite radio, a Wi-Fi hotspot, a 10-speaker JBL sound system, driver easy speak, push-button start, a proximity key, and a single or dual-pane moonroof. The Sienna has one of the largest cargo capacities and are of the best minivans. It measures 39.1 cubic feet behind the third-row seats and 87.1 cubic feet with those seats folded into the floor. Up to 150 cubic feet of cargo room is available overall, but you have to lift out the second-row seats first, which is a heavy, awkward task. A power liftgate is optional.